We've had quite a bit of cloud cover over the last few days. It really helps to cool things down. This week, Chris gives his quick experience with the dentist. Must be nice to have great teeth.
It's a beautiful Sunday morning. I've made it through another week. Aha! Keep there with me, walking Grizz. Went to the dentist yesterday, and it wasn't a bad experience. This week our Patreon video came out, and I just want to reiterate, Patreon did their due diligence. They did what they were supposed to take care of the problem. And that's kind of happened with Shelly. She went to the dentist, had gotten some treatment, and they found a few things that needed taken care of.
He also makes a few observations about work, as he calls it, everyday life. Because, you know, stuff happens.
It's a beautiful Sunday morning. I've made it through another week. Aha! Well, let's see. My regular routine. Thursdays I've got class, Thursday evenings. Today I've got my regular routine. The service is around 11 o'clock. And Grizz and I out doing our morning walk for his constitutional. And I just feel so blessed. I've got such a wonderful family. My wife and her service dog, Grizzy. All the wonderful folks out there who've watched our videos and support us. It's just amazing. We're doing well, and we've come a long ways, and it's all because of folks like you. Thank you all so very much, and just feel good. Talk to you in a bit.
My little Grizzy angel comes to my rescue again.
Keep there with me, walking Grizz. Went to the dentist yesterday, and it wasn't a bad experience. It was very nice. I got right in. The dental hygienist, a young lady, took me back to the x-ray machine, sat me down, and you know, one of those that spins around your head, does the x-ray. Took me back to the chair, sat me down, started looking, and then says, "Are you flossing?" And I go, "Oh, no." She says, "Well, whatever you're doing, it's working. I don't see hardly any plaque at all." I'm like, "Really? Oh, yeah, well, I planned that." Not really. She says, "Oh, let me get some pictures." Took some photos in the mouth with those mouth cams that they use. And then she started doing very light scraping and water picking. And right about then, the dentist comes back. Man, did he make me feel old. Not in a bad way. He was so young. And he was very, very nice. I mean, he sat and talked, and both of them looked at all the gold work in my mouth and said, "Man, that stuff is like artwork. We don't see things like that anymore." And I said, "Well, my old dentist, who used to own the practice they have now, believed in doing good work that would last forever." And it has. It's been amazing. So they checked that all out. He says, "You look great." He says, "No cavities, nothing we can see on the x-rays, nothing I can visualize. All the margins are great." Says, "Your gums are doing really good. Just keep it up." So we'll see him again in 6 months for another cleaning, and that'll be it. We've had to kind of put him off because of the cancer, and the treatments have left me with some osteopenia that I'm trying to get taken care of, but they said everything was looking super. So a big plus and a win on my side. So I feel really great about it. And that's about it. We're scheduled, the two of us, to go back at about the same time in 6 months. It'll be right around Christmas time, and be taken care of for whatever little needs we have at that point. So a good experience at the dentist for me. Talk to you in a minute. This week our Patreon video came out, and I just want to reiterate, Patreon did their due diligence. They did what they were supposed to take care of the problem. My only real issue after it's all said and done is that communications can sometimes be lacking. It would sure be nice if they could contact the creators directly and help us work everything out. So if you're thinking about doing Patreon, it's still a good alternative. You just have to be aware of some of the issues that I ran into and stay a step ahead, and it'll be just fine. Everything is working out good, and we've had no further issues, and hopefully it'll stay that way. Too many bad actors in this world.
Insiders, how's the weather where you're at? Thank you for spending your time with us this week. Having you around makes time fly by.
One of the things about the way life happens, at least from the eyes of a firefighter, tactical medic.
We got an arm injury.
Without tactical medics, this same rescue would have to wait until the scene is secure.
10 to 15 minutes could mean life or death for a police officer.
Is that when things happen, they tend to happen in a flock or just a bunch together. It used to be that you said an airplane accident would happen in threes, that there would be one, and then there's bound to be a couple more right afterwards. It was us putting things together in our mind that seemed to make a justification for why we seem to see more of it. I don't know if it's for real or not, but it seemed to be. On the night of a full moon, all kinds of stuff would happen, usually crazy things. What am I getting at with this? Well, on a much smaller scale in civilian life, one of the things that I noticed is that if we have a week that has physician's appointments and we're going to go see our doctors, we've noticed that it seems to be a bunch of them all together. Not just that we've scheduled them, but that after that event, well, we found a couple things that we need to work on, so there's going to be a couple more visits that are required, and that's kind of happened with Shelly. She went to the dentist, had gotten some treatment, and they found a few things that needed taken care of. So this week we had to go back, and it wasn't a root canal, but it was doing some tough dental stuff that makes her very nervous. So we spent 3 hours with her in the chair yesterday trying to get everything taken care of. And it was tough on her. Poor little Grizz, it was tough on him too, because he knew she was nervous and he was alerting on her constantly. We have wonderful dentists, and he took such good care of her. And whenever she got extremely stressed out, Grizz's alerts were getting more frequent, so he would allow me to pick him up and put Grizz in the chair with her, which once he gave his alerts, he would calm down and he'd feel better because he knew that she was being taken care of. So it was quite an interesting visit, and everybody absolutely loved seeing Grizz there doing his job, and Shelly got through the day so much easier because of it. She didn't sleep much last night because she was still pretty wound up, but she's doing better this morning. I imagine there's going to be a point where she just crashes and just wipes out for a day, but it's all expected. Everything went fine. She's doing super, and her teeth look beautiful. So I'm happy, Grizz is happy, and I think she's happy too. Thank you guys for caring, and thank you guys for sticking around for this particular video, and we hope to see you again next week. Y'all take care now. Bye.
So see you next week, and please travel safe.